Good morning, my dear student. Welcome to this new video. This is the part 6 of chapter 1, the fish tale of class 5 subject mathematics. Today we will learn about the fish market. We will solve the problems. First problem is Fosilla says this kingfish weight 8 kg. I will sell the whole for rupees 1200. At what price per kg did Fosilla sell the kingfish? Once again the question. Fosilla says this kingfish weight 8 kg. I will sell the whole for rupees 1200. At what price per kg did Fosilla sell the kingfish? Come to the answer. What is given? Price of 8 kg of kingfish is equal to rupees 1200. Okay, what we have to find out? Price of 1 kg of kingfish. How do you find out? See here one situation. Here given 8 kg they given. What we have to find out? We have to find out 1 kg. When they are given more things, from that we want to find out one thing means just divide. That's all. Okay. More from the more things we want to find out one means division. If they are given one and we want to find out more means that time you have to multiply. In this situation they are given more, we want to find out one thing, so divide. How do you divide? 8 kg kingfish rate is 1200 divided by 8, that kg, 8 kg. Okay, then we will get 1 kg. So simply cut 180 is 8. How many? 180 is 8. Remaining how much? 40. 5 8s are 40. Okay, remaining 0 is there. 0 cut and write here. What is the remaining there? 150. How many rupees are there? 150. Price of 1 kg kingfish rate is rupees 150. Listen the second question. Florama has sold 10 kg prawns today. How much money did she get for that? Okay. Florama sells prawn for rupees 150 a kg. Once again read the question. Florama has sold 10 kg prawns today. How much money did she get for that? Florama sells prawn for Rs 150 a kg. Did you understand the question? The Florama selling prawns. Okay. That 1 kg of prawn 150 rupees. She sold how many kg? 10 kg. We want to find out the price. Did you understand? Once again listen. Florama selling prawns. Okay. For prawns 1 kg, for 1 kg she sold 150 rupees. That day she sold 10 kg of prawns. How much money did she get? How much money did she get? Come to the answer. What is given in this problem? Price of 1 kg prawn is rupees 150. Listen, given. What we have to find out? Price of 10 kg of prawn. So, Florama sold 10 kg of prawn. How much money she got? So, we want to find out 10 kg of prawns rate. Okay. Then, see here. 1 kg given, we want to find out 10 kg, more kgs. Already I explained you, if they are given one thing, we want to find out what we have to do, we have to multiply, easy only. Okay, then how do you multiply? 1 kg rate is rupees 150 Then how many kgs we want to find out? 10 kg into 10. Okay, we see how to multiply 150 into 10 means add one more zero with that. So what is the answer? Rupees 1500. Correct? Come to third problem. Gracie sold 6 kg swordfish. Minnie has earned as much money as Gracie. How many kg of sardines did Minnie sell? Then clue given. Swordfish for rupees 60 a kg. Sardines for rupees 40 a kg. Once again read the question. Gracie sold 6 kg swordfish. Minnie has earned as much money as Gracie. How many kg of sardines did Minnie sell? Then swordfish for rupees 60 a kg. Sardines for rupees 40 a kg. Did you understand the question? See here. Two fisherwomen are selling. Who are they? Gracie and Minnie. Gracie and Minnie. Gracie is selling swordfish. Swordfish. Okay. Then Minnie is selling sardines. Minnie is selling sardines. The swordfish rate is for 1 kg. For a kg 60 rupees. But sardine is 1 kg 40 rupees. Okay, 40 rupees. Gracie is sold how many kgs? 6 kg. Total how many kgs sold? 6 kg. Then whatever things she earned, okay, how much money is earned by Gracie? Same money earned by Minnie also. Okay, Minnie also. What we have to find out? How many kg Minnie sold? How many kg Minnie sold? We want to find out. Clear? Come to the answer. Price of 1 kg of swordfish is rupees 60. We want to find out 6 kg of swordfish rate. Why Gracie sold 6 kg of swordfish? That's why. Already we studied 1 kg is given. We want to find out more means multiplication. So multiply. Then 1 kg swordfish rate is 60 into this 6. Okay. Then what is the answer? Then 6 0 put right as it is. 6 6 are 36 rupees 360. So Gracie is earned how many rupees? 360 rupees. So Minnie also earned how many rupees? 360 rupees only. Clear? Then Minnie is selling which fish? Sardine fish. Sardine fish kg is 1 kg how many rupees? 1 kg is 40 rupees. Okay, 1 kg is 40 rupees. Here what we have to find out? How many kg sold by Minnie? How many kg sardine is sold by Minnie? How will you find out? Here 1 kg given. Then how will you find out that total money is earned by Minnie is 360 divided by 1 kg price, sardine price. 1 kg sardine price is 40. Then 0 0 will be cancelled. Fourth table say 1 4 is 4. 9 4s are 36. So what is remaining? 9 by 1. 9 by 1 means 9. 9 kg. How many kg sardine is sold by Minnie? 9 kg sardine is sold by Minnie. Clear? Come to the fourth problem. Read the question. Bashir has rupees 100. He spent 1/4 of the money on squid and another 3/4 on prawns. First question. How many kilogram of squid did he buy? Second question. How many kilogram of prawns did he buy? Then kg is given. Squid for rupees 50 a kg, prawns for rupees 150 a kg. Once again read the question. Bashir has rupees 100. He spent 1/4 of the money on squid and another 3/4 on prawns. First question, how many kilogram of squid did he buy? Second question, how many kilogram of prawn did he buy? What are the things are given? Squid for rupees 50 a kg, prawn for rupees 150 a kg. Come to the answer. This problem has two questions. First, we will solve the first question here now. What is the first question? How many kg of squid did he buy? How many kilogram squid fish he bought? That we have to find out. Okay. What is given? By he has money 100 rupees. 100 rupees. He spent money for squid fish 1/4 of the money. How much money he has? 100 rupees. In the 100 rupees he has 1/4. 1/4. How we are writing? Multiply by 1/4. So simplify it. Then 1/4 is 4. Then here 100 is there. 100 divided by 4. 2 4s are 8. Remaining 2. 0 began 20. 4 5s are 20. So 25. Okay, how many rupees spent for squid fish? Rupees 25. Okay, then rupees we find out. How many kg? How do you find out how many kg? Already they given 1 kg price. Price of 1 kg squid fish is how many rupees? 50 rupees. How many rupees? Rupees 50. Okay, we want to find out then 25 rupees. 25 rupees. He spent money for the squid fish is 25. How many kg we find out? Then how will you write it? The total money spent for the fish is 25 rupees. Then 1 kg how many rupees? 50 rupees divided by 50 rupees. And then 25th table is say 125 25. 2 25s are 50. So we can write 1/2. How many kgs? 1/2 kg. 1/2 kg means half kg. Half kg of squid is he bought. Half kg of squid he bought. Okay, clear? Come to the second question. Second question is how many kilogram of prawn did he buy? How many kilogram of prawn did he buy? Okay, here what are the things are given? Bahir has rupees 100. Okay, that is given. Then next prawn. How many money is spent for the prawn? Total rupees is 100 rupees into 3/4. 3/4 how we can write it? 3/4. 3/4 money is spent for prawn. Okay, then simplify this one. 1/4 is 4. Then already we know that 2 4s are 8. Remaining 2 that become 20. 5 4s are 20. Okay, then what is remaining? 25 into 3. 25 into 3. 25 into 3 means 75. 125 is 25. 2 25s are 50. 3 25s are 75. Okay, rupees 75 is spent for prawn fish. Okay, then what we have to find out? How many kg of prawn did he buy? How many kg? Already given the 1 kg price. 1 kg of prawn is 150 rupees. 1 kg prawn is 150 rupees. We want to find out for the 75 rupees how many kg is getting. For the 75 total money is given spent for the prawn is 75. So how will you find out? total money for the prawn divided by 1 kg money. 1 kg money is what? 150. Simplify that. Fifth table, say 1 5 is 5, then remaining 2 25. 25 5 5s are 25, correct? Then next here 3 5s are 15, remaining 10, remaining 0. Then come to there, remaining what are the things here? 15 divided by 13. Then again you can say 15 the table. Do you know? You have to say the 15 the table. Easily we can divide. Otherwise fifth table, do you know that one more step will be acquired. I will say that 15 the table. 1 15 is 15, 2 15s are 30. Okay, 1 by remaining what is there? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 kg. 1 by 2 kg means what? Half kg. Half kg he bought prawn. Half kg of prawn is he bought. Okay, clear?